everyone. We're gonna go get Chase's taxi, and he's in the passenger seat. He's got some body work done, so it's a little bit more fixed than it was last time. We're meeting another dude. He's also got a taxi, and probably gonna try to get some roller shots. So this video is gonna be all over the place because there's a lot of people involved, so I can't really like set up shots and make it look fancy, but we'll roll with it. It's gonna be a vlog style, so enjoy. Alright, so real quick, this is my buddy Chase. We're here to get his taxi. This is Malcolm. He owns the other taxi you see him in the parking lot. And then that's Talon, one of the owners in Turner, France. Oh, yeah, and that's me.
That's the drip, you gotta run that.
I know, man.
Yeah. You're probably pretty good.
Yeah, no, I'm happy with it.
So, yeah, because you hadn't had any body work done, right?
No. Yeah. Like, I know that the original owner did repaint.
Sort of, there's like a super flake in it.
Well, it's just reflective.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
We got plates made up so I can go to car shows and actually look legit.
or take it on the toll roads and not get tickets.
Yeah. That would be great. There.
Oh, we got the trunk separator, my dude.
Holy. Oh, look, a Supra.
There we go. We'll toss her on in.
You want to take your jack out of the way.
Yeah, I guess so. I'm probably gonna pull this out later to clean everything. I'm just gonna toss this in to get it fucking home, but.
Oh my god, we're messing with the camera.
Oh, there we go.
Heck yeah.
There we go.
And away she goes.
What's the best one? There we go, buddy.
Like it was made for it.
There we go. It got the better of me a little bit. Hey, look at that.
Yeah, that's it, man. Body shop stuff. You know how it be.
These things happen, man.
windshield's gonna look brand used.
Still probably needs clay bar it.
Everything. Look at him go. He's gonna be seeing everything on the way home. How you feeling about the whole thing?
We're feeling pretty good. Today's a good day, man. Today's a good day.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, brother.
But he's got his taxi.
We got it going. Needs some work, but you know what? It's gonna be, man. It's gonna be a good ride.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be a good ride.
It's a
man.
taxi. It's always gonna need work.
Hell yeah, that's how it is, man.
Look at this. Even got free valet service right here with the squeegee going.
There we go.
Buddy. You can see everything. You're gonna see traffic, front, rear, your grandchildren's future.
Potential fares.
Oops, sorry.
No worries, they're all done.
He's lying. He'll do it again.
There we go. Very good work. That's
There we
good
go.
squeegee work. There we go. We got her done. We got her done. We're
Light
good to go.
dinner. So that'll be it for me today. We sucked out some pretty sick cars. We're doing like a little convoy on the way home. So it's just 3 New York City cabs and the 401. Yeah, can't wait to get Chase's cab, buff it a little bit. If you like the video, give it a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.